Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a SAML setup with OneLogin for your VPS app step by step clearly. To start transferring a SAML setup with OneLogin for your VPS app, log into your OneLogin admin portal. Navigate to the Applications section from the main dashboard. Click on the Add App button to initiate the process. Search for and select the application you want to configure for SAML. Once selected, you'll see an overview of the application settings. Look for the Configuration tab and click on it. In the Configuration settings, locate the SAML section. Here, you will find the SAML 2.0 endpoint, HTTP, URL. Copy this URL as it will be needed for your VPS application. Next, go to your VPS admin interface. Locate the SAML settings within your application's configuration panel. Paste the copied SAML endpoint URL into the appropriate field. Now, return to the OneLogin configuration. Find the issuer URL in the SAML section. Copy this issuer URL to use for your VPS application. In your VPS settings, enter this issuer URL in the designated field. Once that is complete, head back to the OneLogin admin portal. Look for the X.509 Certificates section. Download the certificate file provided there. Then, upload this certificate file into your VPS application's SAML configuration. Next, you need to configure the audience URI in OneLogin. Ensure that the audience URI matches the one in your VPS application settings. After entering all required fields, save your changes in OneLogin. Return to your VPS application and review all SAML settings for completeness. Conduct a test login using the SAML configuration to ensure everything is working properly. If successful, your SAML setup is now transferred and operational. Remember to document any changes made during this process for future reference. Lastly, monitor your application for any potential issues following the transfer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.